Welcome back, guys, to another edition of Big Daddy J's versus Jhetts Monster Jams. Today we're going to be doing a target competition, which we're going to use with a launching ramp and 5 vintage trucks, and Jhett will introduce all those and give his introduction in just a second, and 5 modern Spin Master trucks. The object of the game is to hit the target board, and the one who scores the most points with his 5 trucks is the winner. Now, Jhett from Jhetts Monster Jams.
Alright guys, welcome back to Jhetts Monster Jams. Today, as y'all heard from Big Daddy J's Monster Jams, we're gonna launch these trucks to that target. So, these trucks that we have here is Avenger, Max D Fire, Earthshaker Ice, Jurassic Attack, Grandma Gravedigger. On his team, Snakebite, King Crunch, Bulldozer, Black Stallion, and Samson 1.
All right, guys, so we're going to get set up, and Jhett will fire his 5 trucks and see his points total. Then I will fire mine. We'll catch you in just a second. No points for Avenger.
My next truck is Grandma Gravedigger. In 3, 2, 1. Couldn't even make it.
Another goose egg.
Can't even make it. Next one, Jurassic Attack.
40 points.
40 points for Jurassic Attack.
Points.
My next truck is Earthshaker Eyes. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, he was so close.
No points.
My last truck is Max D Fire. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, 50 points.
50 points. He is my winning truck.
Jhetts Monster Jams ends up with 90 total points. 90 total points. Now we'll get ready for the old school trucks. All right, guys, so it's Big Daddy J's turn now, and my first truck up is going to be Bulldozer. Oh, 10 points for Bulldozer. My next truck up is going to be Snakebite. Oh, 40 points for Snakebite. My next truck up is Samson. Oh, 50 points for Samson. That's going to give me 100, I believe. King Crunch is next. Oh, off the wall, 0 points. And the last truck is Black Stallion. 70 points for Black Stallion. So, your winner is Big Daddy J with 170 points and Jhetts Monster Jams with 90.
So I hope y'all guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget one thing. Get it on, son!